Welcome to the future of machine health management with SMARTdiagnostics. SMARTdiagnostics is your all-in-one platform that transforms predictive maintenance data into clear, actionable insights. From factory floor to boardroom, everyone in your organization can take action. Install our sensors in seconds and start streaming data immediately. Only KCF's comprehensive machine health platform offers hardware solutions for full asset coverage. High-definition vibration sensors send updates as often as every minute, ensuring you never miss a failure. The IoT HUB enables the use of a variety of third-party sensors, including ultrasonic, oil humidity, MCSA, pressure, and more. It can even connect to your PLC to trigger for intermittent equipment such as cranes and robots. Piezo Sensing features enveloping technology for enhanced bearing fault detection, perfect for applications like slow rotating equipment, high monitoring point density locations, integrating legacy sensors, and sections of the plant with extreme temperatures. Meet Workbench, your command center for machine health. Switch effortlessly between systems, assets, and monitoring points. Visualize high-resolution data, listen to your equipment, and dive deep into true root cause analysis with our real-time tools. Workbench includes tools like Trends for in-depth analysis of multiple indicators such as RMS velocity, temperature, peak acceleration, and more. Machine Voice to remotely hear the sound of indicator points. And Frequency Spectrum for in-depth analysis. From Workbench, instantly create desk issues packed with all the vital data, including trend line images for simple maintenance prioritization and tracking. Desk enables seamless, real-time communication with your team and KCF's Cat 2 and 3 machine health experts to help guide users to the problem and solution. From AI-assisted fault discovery to resolution, all your communications are centralized. Desk allows you to rank issues based on severity, assign tasks to resolve desk issues, and document savings to track your ROI. And when you're on the go, take SMARTdiagnostics with you. The SD Connect mobile app, available on iOS and Android, lets you view trends, draft issues, and assign tasks right from your phone. Experience the full power of your machine health data in an intuitive mobile interface. SD Connect features trends, full desk functionality, and mobile hardware management. SMARTdiagnostics, bringing you unparalleled insight wherever you are. Step into the future of machine health today.